Hey, this is Nikesh and today we are going to learn how to download Equity mobile banking application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store on your device and open it. At the search bar, type in EQUITY Equity BANK Bank and click on search. Scroll down a little bit until you see this icon and click on it. And now click on Get. You need to verify with your Face ID, fingerprint or a passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. After the download is finished, click on Open to use the application. Click Allow for the notification and now choose the language. Now you can use Equity mobile banking application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.